Hey, this is Aslam Shaval over here. Did you know that we do not decide our future? We decide the habits that we create, and then those habits go and create our future. So for example, what is your habit every morning? What is your daily routine? Are you being productive? Are you getting up in the morning and doing what is necessary for your health? Are you eating the right breakfast? Are you having the proper lunch and dinner? Are you doing your daily exercises? Or in the evening or afternoon, are you just procrastinating? Are you just sitting in front of the television and watching Netflix and Amazon Prime or whatever it is? Are you taking enough time for yourself to gain the knowledge by reading books, being productive? That is so important. We often say that we build our own future. No, it's our habits. Our habits are what go and create a future. Your daily routine is what is creating the future that you want to have. So the daily routine that is creating your future. So the more productive you are, the more attention you give to your daily routine, the more service you give out. That's what is going to make you more successful. Hope that's of useful to you. Take care. This is Aslam. Until next time.